Hey guys, Dax here from Hera Property. We're at our Rip and Lee renovation, and I've got the amazing builder here, Matt from Willoworks, and I just want to ask him a few questions. How you going, Matt?
Hey guys, how are you? I'm really good, thanks Dax.
Excellent, good. So Matt, I engaged Matt to look at this. It was a rundown apartment, and he came pretty much spot on, checked it all out with his team, and you quoted it up in what, a couple of days?
Yeah, look, normally with most of our projects, we normally come out on site, do an assessment, measure things up, and we'll normally get our quote back to our clients with a 3D design in 5 days.
That's it. The 3D design was perfect, because what we found when we did the 3D design, what the landlord wanted was a European washer and dryer, and we were looking at this the kitchen to see how we could fit that in. And with the 3D drawing, it was very easy to figure out we could fit it in pretty much there. And you can see we put in also a washing machine that didn't have the dishwasher in there either. And Matt was really able to, manipulate that and fit it in here to give it maximum room. So that was fantastic, Matt. Thank you.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, look, it's really important in these smaller apartments to utilise the space as best as possible. There's a lot of different things you can do to still give it that really nice high-end feel. One of the things we often do is, so in these older apartments, you've generally got solid brick with rendered walls. We normally do a tiled splashback, or we can do glass, and doing these internal tiled window reveals just adds that nice high-end finish. In this particular project as well, obviously, with all our projects, the main thing is having a budget. As with any project, the budget's the main thing. In here, we've gone with a white 2-pack finish on the joinery, and we've gone with an engineered stone top. In this particular place, we've reused the existing cooktop, and we've got a brand new range hood. So it's all come up really nicely. And we'll show you through to the bathroom.
Yeah. It's fantastic. The owner just came in and did the final inspection on that, and she was wrapped. She used to live here about 8 years ago, and she was like, oh, if only I'd done this that long ago. Now the bathroom was really pokey when we first looked at it. The door was on the wrong side, and you'll see it in a minute. And we've just opened it up, and Matt's just done the amazing stuff with the tiles and things like that. So Matt, do you want to go through the bathroom, your idea and how you came up with this?
So look, what this was originally, so this was still, it was a shower over a bath, minimal tiling, just tiling to 1200, just around the wet areas, just with floor tiling as well. They were an older, with the floor tiling actually, on top of that there were actually 3 layers of tiles that all had to come up, which was good fun. And then what we did, we took everything back to the bare brickwork, then our plumbers came in, roughed it in. There was some existing water leaks in there as well, which we got rid of. We pressure tested all the pipe work. What we've actually done in here as well, we've put in a rain head shower screen just to add that nice extra touch. Then roughed in all the new pipe work. Then we've got all these brick walls that were back to bare brick. We've had those rendered with 20mm acrylic render, and we've also done tiled into the window reveals here as well. So look, it's very important once again, in these smaller spaces, there is still a lot you can do. Although with tight spaces, you are quite restricted in terms of service relocations, where your main toilet and sewer connections are. However, it's still important to know there is still a lot you can do. And we'll show you as well some before and after photos of what this did look like and what it's come up to now.
Yeah, it was fantastic. And the bath was shorter too, wasn't it? There was a bit of a bulkhead there. So he's moved the taps across. It's a really great update from what it was. And the owner was just wrapped. Especially that glass here that just protects everything. And also that shower head just lifts up the whole place. And the big tiles really make a difference to make it look larger. So Matt, fantastic job. Really loved it. The owner's loving it. You've come on time, on budget, and really top quality service. So
fantastic.
Appreciate it.
It's been great working together.
Thank you. See you later. Bye.